In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find specific elements here in Canva. Now, what we're going to do is use the Elements search bar. So if we come over here to the left-hand side and click on Elements, we can see we have this search bar just here. And this is where we can search absolutely anything. So if we wanted a dog element, we can simply type in dog. Now, once we click Enter, we're going to see all of these different options. Now for this example, let's go with the graphics. So we're going to click on See All, and now we have all of these graphics, dog graphics, to choose from. But we can actually filter this as well. So if we come up to here and click on there, we're going to have a few different options to choose from. So we can search by colour by choosing one of these colour. We can choose by orientation with square, vertical, horizontal. We can also search by animation. So if we want just a static graphic, we can click on here. Or if we want an animated graphic, we can click on here. We can also filter by price with just free graphics, pro graphics, and cutouts only. So if we click on static and click on free options, we can now see all of the free Canva graphics for dogs, which is static. Now if we click on here again and go with animated, we're now going to get all of the animated dog graphics. And if we click on here again and just choose Pro, we've now got all the dog animated graphics, which are Canva Pro features, as we can see that just here. Now let's go back one, let's do this with something else. So we're going to click off there, we're going to get all of these graphics back, and let's put heart. So if we click there, we can also see we get suggested, so that's heart, heart outline, heart organ, and a few others. Now let's just click on heart, we have all of these different options, but let's filter this down, say we want an animated graphic, we now get all of these animated hearts that we can choose from. So that's just how simple it is to find specific elements here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.